Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Porus. Yes, this is Porus in Manchester, and this is a town between Maypen and Mandeville, the largest town you'll find between Maypen and Mandeville. But with the opening of Highway 2000 East-West leg, this town has seen some serious economic fallout. Now this town used to be very busy, extremely busy, but since the highway opened, the business places in this area have seen some significant decrease in business, and that's because everybody is using the highway. Now the highway opened from Kingston to Maypen some years ago, but it didn't affect Porus or Clarendon Park or Osborne Store. You would exit in Maypen, or the highway would end in Maypen, and then you take this road on your way to Mandeville or Santa Cruz or Westmoreland. So this was still up the main road. It is still the main road, but look at how, the place is literally a ghost town compared to what it used to be before. But they opened the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway, and because of some administrative issues, it's free. You can get on the highway in Maypen and drive to Williamsfield without paying any toll. They have a very nice toll plaza and toll gate. You just drive right through it. So because of that, nobody is using these roads. Now, you can't blame the commuters, because would you want to drive on a highway, 4-lane dual carriageway, not one pothole? Or do you want to drive on this road that's a 2-lane narrow road that doesn't even have white lines? I'll never understand why these roads don't have white lines. They used to, but you can see it's faded. And it's so simple to put in the white lines. You sit in a machine and you drive on it and paint the white lines. That one I'll never understand. Okay, so the highway is free. So everybody is using the highway. As a result, places like Osborne Store, Clarendon Park especially, and Porus, I think Porus has gotten the biggest hit, because Porus was the largest of all the towns that you would pass through between Maypen and Mandeville. Now they're hoping that they would start charging toll on the highway soon, but if they haven't been able to figure the toll issues out from September last year, I don't think they're going to figure it out anytime soon. So the highway might be free for the rest of the year, and so these areas are going to feel even more economic hardships. But everybody's hoping that once they start to collect the toll, and the toll should be around the $500 region. That's just an estimate, because they have a rate per kilometer highway. So if you apply that, it's going to be between $500 and $600. Now, what the business people are hoping is that once they start to collect the toll, people will start using this main road again. So we'll have to wait and see. But unless you live in the Porus, or you have some business to do in Porus, there's no reason to come off the highway. Now we're actually going towards the Melrose Hill bypass, driving out of Porus onto the Melrose Hill bypass. Now, I think if they had made an exit for Porus, the economic fallout would not be that great. So there is no exit or entrance to the highway from Porus. And even with the Melrose Hill bypass, you can only access the highway when you're heading from Williamsfield to Porus. The other direction, if you want, okay, let's say you're coming from Kingston and you want to go to Porus. You would have to exit at toll gates and drive on the old road to get here, or you could exit the highway on the Melrose Hill bypass, go all the way up the bypass to the roundabout, turn around on the roundabout and come back down. It's a long drive either way you look at it. And I don't think it was necessary. You could easily have an exit to Porus. I'm not sure why they didn't do it. Now up here is where the highway ends. and merges into the Melrose Hill bypass. Again, if you're in Porus and you want to get on the highway, you have to take this route that we're driving on. And right here where you see the concrete barricade is where Highway 2000 ends and merges into the Melrose Hill bypass. So if you're coming from Porus and you want to get on the highway, you have to go to Williamsfield, drive on this road to Williamsfield, go around the roundabout, come back down the Melrose Hill bypass, and then get on the highway from that side. You can't just leave Porus and go onto the highway. And I'm not sure why they did it that way, but I'm sure they had their reasons. But that's another major contributing factor to the decline in traffic in Porus. But this is a very nice road. This is the Melrose Hill bypass. Alright guys, let us know what you think about what's going on in Porus. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.